Good morning student. Exercise 8.4 first type பார்த்தோம். அதோட completed fourth sum complete பண்ணிட்டு second type பார்த்தோம். அதுலயே second type என்னன்னா type 2 problem based on addition theorem. Problem based on addition theorem of probability. Addition theorem of probability. Addition theorem. Problem based on addition theorem. இதுல first typeலயே remaining இருக்கு பாத்தியா, fourth ஒன்னு fifth ஒன்னு. fourth sum பார்ப்போம். fourth ஒன்னு என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்க பாருங்க. The probability that at least one of A and B occur is 0.6. The solution என்ன சொல்றேன்னா fourth ஒன்னு solution. Exercise 8.4 ல fourth ஒன்னு பாருங்க. Probability that at least one of A and B, at least one of A and B means P of given P of A in the P of A in B means probability that at least one of A and B means at least one of A and B means P of A in B means அது என்னவா given பண்ணிருக்காங்க 0.6. next பாருங்க அடுத்த அந்த லைன்ல if A and B occur simultaneously with probability A and B occur simultaneously na P of A intersection B means P of A intersection B equal to 0.2. Find P of A bar plus P of B bar. Find P of A bar plus P of B bar. இது என்ன ஃபார்முலா தெரியும்? You already know that P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. ரைட்டுங்களா? P of A union என்னது 0.66 equal to P of A கண்டுபிடிச்சு பண்ணனும் P of B minus P of A is 0.2. Visualization करने ना ले 0.6 plus 0.2 equal to P of A plus P of B. P of A plus P of B. P of A plus P of B is 0.8. 0.8. P of A plus P of B equal to 0.8. Listen to me. P of A plus P of B equal to 0.8. 2.5 என்ன சொல்றாங்க? 2.5 என்ன ஃபைண்ட் பண்ண சொல்றாங்க? 2.5 P of A bar plus P of B bar. P of A bar plus P of B bar. ஃபார்முலா சொல்லுங்க. P of A bar means 1 minus P of A plus P of B bar means 1 minus P of B. 1 minus P of B. then add பண்ணலாம் 1 plus 1 2 minus அது போடுங்க P of A plus P of B equal to 2 minus P of A plus P of B என்ன லைன் ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம் 0.8 இப்போ 2 ல 0.8 போச்சுனா 1.2 அப்ப P of A bar plus P of B bar equal to P of A bar plus P of B bar equal to 1.2. That is answer. That is answer. Fifth one பாருங்க. Next one fifth one. Fifth one பாருங்க. Fifth one type 1 over. Fifth one பாருங்க. The probability of happening of an event A is 0.5. So fifth solution given என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க? Given first line பாருங்க. The probability of happening of an event A is given here. The probability of A is given 0.5. Next one, and that of B is probability of B is 0.3. If A and B are mutually exclusive even, already சொல்லிருக்கோம். A and B are mutually exclusive even. We have A intersection B equal to 0 because mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive events. A and B are mutually exclusive events. We have A intersection B equal to 0. அங்க என்ன ஃபைண்ட் பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க? Then find the probability that neither A nor B. And the probability that neither A nor B. P of neither A nor B. Neither A nor B. Neither A nor B means neither A nor B means formula P of A bar intersection B bar or A union B bar equal to 1 minus P of A union B equal to 1 minus. What is the formula of P of A union B? P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. We apply the value P of A is 0.5 plus P of B is 0.3 minus 0 equal to 1 minus 0.8. 1 to 0.8 equal to 0.2. That is the answer. This is 0.2. That is answer. The type 1 over. Next one type 2 la addition theorem of probability. Problem based on addition theorem of probability sum la 12th sum பாருங்க very important sum. 5 mark question. Remain sum செல்லாமே 5 mark question very important question. 12 to 1 exercise 8.4 la 12 to 1 பாருங்க. Exercise 8.4 12 to 1. Sum என்ன சொல்றாங்க 12 to 1 12 to sum 8.4. Yes, coin is tossed. The coin is tossed thrice. The coin is tossed thrice. Find the probability of getting exactly 2 guess or at least 1 10 or 2 consecutive tests. Listen. Solution. First one, a coin is tossed thrice. First one, a coin is tossed thrice. A coin is tossed thrice. What are the samples? We get S equal to H hat, HT, C hat, TT. H1 H hat, HT, HTT. Next one T hat, T H hat, T HT, TT hat, TTT. So total number of samples equal to 8. Total number of samples equal to 8. The first one, total number of samples equal to 8. Next, listen the sum. Find the probability of getting. First one, exactly 2 guess. First one, exactly 2 guess. Let ABE event of getting exactly 2 guess. A equal to exactly 2 guess means exactly only we get exactly only 2 guess. Exactly 2 guess. First one, see the sample. Exactly 2 guess catch. Next T catch catch. Next exactly 2 guess means H catch T. H T catch. T H T T H. So the event of A equal to H T exactly 2 H T H next T H. So N of A equal to P. P of A equal to N of A by N of S equal to 3 by 8. So P of A equal to therefore P of A equal to 3 by 8. 1 to 1. P equal to P of A equal to 3 by 8. Next question. Next see the question. Next at least one time. At least one time. See the question or at least one time. So we take let B be the event of getting. Let B be the event of getting. Event of getting. At least one time. At least one time. At least one time means at least one time or 2 time or at least one time means at least one time means 1 time or 2 time or 3 time. At least one time at least one time or 2 time or 3 time. B equal to 1 time means at least 1 time H T is 1 day or 2 day. T H. Next T H T. Next T H. T. So the total number of B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. P of B equal to some say P of B equal to N of B by N of S equal to 7 by 8. P of B equal to 7 by 8. P of B equal to 7 by 8. Next one, see the question. Last one, 2 consecutive years. 2 consecutive years. We take let C be the event of getting. We take let C be the event of getting. C be the event of getting. C be the event of getting. 2 consecutive years. 2 consecutive years. C equal to 2 consecutive years means 2 consecutive repeated head வந்து repeated வந்துட்டே இருக்கணும். 2 gets repeated ஆகும். என்ன கேம் பாருங்க. என்னங்க கேம் பாருங்க. H gets T next H gets T gets 2 consecutive gets means 2 consecutively 2 gets 1 H gets T next T H gets. So the event of C is H T next T H gets. So N of C equal to P of C equal to N of C by N of S equal to 3 by 8. Therefore P of C equal to 3 by 8. P of C equal to 3 by 8. Listen. First P of A and P of B and P of C எல்லாமே find out பண்ணணும். ஃபார்ம் என்ன சார் அப்ளை பண்றது? அடுத்து நெக்ஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படினா 3 ஈவென்ட்ஸ் given பண்ணிருக்காங்க. அதாவது exactly 2 gets A at least 1 time B 2 consecutive gets C. 3 events are given. We find out 3 events are given. We find out the longest addition theorem of probability. Longest A union B of A union B union C equal to P of A plus P of A plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of A intersection C plus P of A intersection B intersection C. The longest format இருக்குல்ல அப்படி என்ன பண்ணுவோம் next A intersection B find out பண்ணனும். next B intersection C find out பண்ணனும். A intersection C find out பண்ணனும். A intersection C find out பண்ணனும். A intersection B என்ன find out பண்ணனும் பாருங்க. A intersection B, B intersection C, A intersection C. the longest formula புட் பண்றது A intersection B find out பண்ணனும். அப்புறம் B intersection C. அந்த 3 ஈவென்ட்ஸ் டிபெண்ட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. 3 ஈவென்ட்ஸ் இருக்காங்க. R 1 2 3 ஈவென்ட்ஸ் டிபெண்ட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. லாஸ்ட் A intersection B, B intersection C, A intersection C find out பண்ணனும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் A intersection B find out பண்ணோம். A intersection B equal to A intersection B equal to A intersection B equal to A யும் B யும் காமன் செட் எடுப்பா. A க்கும் B க்கும் காமன் எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் என்ன இருக்குன்னு பாருங்க. A க்கும் B க்கும் காமனா இருக்குது. A intersection B equal to H T இருக்கும். N of A intersection B equal to P. P of A intersection B equal to same formula. N of A intersection B by N of S equal to P by A. P by A. P of A intersection B equal to P by A. A intersection B find out பண்ணோம். A intersection B R is similarly A B C கொடுத்து A intersection B. அப்புறம் N of A intersection B, P of A intersection B. the same மாடல்ல நெக்ஸ்ட் நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? same method B intersection C. B செட்லயும் C ஈவென்ட்லயும் C ஈவென்ட்ல இருக்கிற காமனா இருக்கிறது எதுன்னு பாருங்க. B intersection C equal to H T, T H இருக்கும். இப்போ N of B intersection C equal to 2. P of B intersection C equal to N of A intersection B intersection C divided by N of S equal to 2 by 8. P of B intersection C 2 by 8. Next A intersection C. A intersection C. Common A intersection C or C intersection A. A intersection C equal to H T equal to N of A intersection C equal to 2. P of A intersection C equal to N of A intersection C by N of S equal to 2 by 8. P of A intersection C equal to 2 by 8. This box la puttuga. Last one. Next we find out A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C equal to 3 ல இருக்கிற A செட் B செட் 3 செட்ல இருக்கிற காமன் 3 செட்ல இருக்கிற காமனா இருக்கிறது எதுன்னு பாருங்க. A intersection B intersection C equal to A B C ல இருக்கிற காமன் எலிமெண்ட் எதுன்னு பாருங்க. A B and C. A intersection B intersection C equal to 2 by 8 answer. 2 by 8. 2 element இருக்கு. A B C ல. இதோட கண்டினியூட்டி நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல பார்ப்போம். நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோல பார்ப்போம். Thank you.